Namaste. Let's get into the topic. Classification. We have two types: receipts, expenditure. Under receipts, capital receipts. Capital receipts, non-recurring in nature, not received regularly, it's big in amount, appears on liability side of balance sheet. For example, life membership fee, special donation, etc. Revenue receipts, recurring in nature, received regularly, small in amount, appears in profit and loss account and income and expenditure account. For example, rent received, sale proceeds of goods. Expenditure, capital expenditure. Benefits are not exhausted in 1 year, but benefits is available for more than 1 year. For example, cost of fixed assets like land and building, etc. Revenue expenditure, whose benefits is exhausted within 1 year, incurred for day-to-day activities, for maintaining the fixed assets of the organization in an efficient working condition. For example, salary paid, rent paid, etc. Deferred revenue expenditure, heavy expenditure incurred for getting a benefit which extends 2 or more years. The expenditure is postponed to the next year. Next topic, final accounts of non-profit organization. Final accounts of non-profit organization prepare their final accounts at the end of accounting year. They consist of receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, balance sheet. Let us understand one by one. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash receipt and cash payment for non-profit organization at a given period of time. It is prepared on the cash system of accounting to find out the closing cash balance. Features: it's a real account, prepared on cash system of accounting, includes both capital and revenue items. Income and expenditure account, revenue account of non-profit organization, summary of income and expenditure of non-profit organization, prepared at the end of the accounting year. It is prepared to find out surplus or deficit of income and expenditure account. Features: nominal account, prepared from receipts and payments account and another information, includes only revenue receipts and revenue payment. Balance sheet, statement which shows assets and liabilities of non-profit organization at the end of the accounting year. It is prepared in the same manner as the trading concern, showing the liabilities on the left hand side as the assets on the right hand side.